Hi friends, today we'll discuss about bait money in banking. What is bait money? Bait money used by the banks to tracing of bank robbers. In case any theft happens in a bank, so when police approach the bank, then bank employees they'll say like we lost some 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. So there won't be any evidence. For example, if you lost one vehicle, you can say like my vehicle I lost, this is the vehicle number. And if you lost mobile number, you can say my mobile number is this one, or my IMEI number is this one, I lost this mobile number. So when you lost money, how to get evidence, how to get a tracing. So this bait money used to tracing of a bank robbers, and this is a security feature used by the bank. For example, bank employee every day will take out some notes from the cash safe, and he'll note down all the note numbers. For example, in my example, I have 100 rupees note, I have one number written on that note, and I have another number. I have taken another 100 rupees note, I have noted down the number. I have taken another 50 rupees note, and noted down the number. Like that, I'll pick up some 10-20 notes, and I'll note down in a register currency notes, and this I'll keep it in my safe room or in a safe place. Every day or in a week, I'll be keep on changing these bait money note numbers. So in case something happens, it may be theft or robbery, during that time, after the robbery, when you approach the police, you can say like we lost some 10-20 lakhs because of the theft or robbery. So already we have noted down some notes. You can give it to the police people to trace that thief. Okay, this is used in the bank. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, like and you share to your friends also. Thank you.